All right. So I'm streaming live now on I'm doing now the two things at the same time, serving two masters at a go. So I'm streaming live on YouTube, and I'm streaming live on TikTok. So this has never happened in my life, but I've done the impossible. All right. So today I'm going to be analyzing GBP AUD and GBP card. So let me first take you to the recap of uh, this say select window, and then no, the entire screen, right? So let me select the entire screen. Mweni mukola bintu bibiri at the same time. I'm doing the same thing at the same time. So you see, I'm going to press share. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen, right? So let me go on a GBP AUD. So kakati, for the analysis that I did recently, whatever, this was the trade that I took over GBP AUD. Remember that I recorded a video and I posted it on YouTube that I entered this trade, and it happened to be that I was right with my bias. So trade eno mu byamazima yagendanga we nali ndi mu kuanticipating. However, I was taken out at break even. That's the reality of trading. So please like this live session abali mukulabira ku TikTok, and those watching on this on YouTube, you can please like this YouTube live session. I'm streaming live both on TikTok and both on YouTube, so I've never done this before. All right, so I just wanted to show you this trade recap of the GBP AUD. So let me go ahead and analyze GBP card with you here. So I'm going to get rid of this. Yes, I'm going to get rid of this. So let me get rid of this. I'm going to delete each and everything. All right. So we do the analysis together. So I'm doing the impossible. I'm serving two masters at a go. So let me go ahead and delete this, and I start afresh. So this is the way how I analyze the market, the currency pairs. So let me give you an example with the GBP AUD. So GBP card, all right? Because some people ask me, which strategy do you use to trade? I also want to learn how you trade. You simplify trading for us. So yeah, now for me, I do market like I do this certain lessons when I'm at Unagambi, you are scared of God. God is my girlfriend, bro. God is my girlfriend. Can you please like this live session? Like you just tap on the screen so that the boy gets more attention, all right? So thanks for the support that you show me. Oh, they have sent me some money, guys. Yo, on this phone. All right. So nonetheless, let's dive into this analysis, okay? So so you see the screen right here. So this is the weekly time frame. So Nzemba, okay. Disclaimer, like I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that I share here, it is through my personal experience. So whatever that you're going to see here on the screen, it is from my own thinking, the way how I see the market and the way how I trade. So I'm not telling you to copy what I'm doing here, but I'm just showing you how I do it, because some of you, most cases, you ask me, how do you trade? I also want to learn how to trade like you, bro. I'm the best when it comes to this. All right. So gold is now deadly. Gold yali deadly essaawa zino tolina kwefuula muzirambu gwe owatanya n'oyita n'owotalina kuyita. Bino ebintu byakatale teri gwe oba okakasa nti omanyi nnyo, olina kukola ky'olaba nti kyekyo n'ovaawo. So mami mbasaba mulakinga live session eno erya TikTok. Ku YouTube simanyi bameka abali mu kulaba, but tugende mu maaso. So kakati for the people who watch this live session on YouTube, I'm sorry, right now the majority of people who follow me, they are from my current location, of which I'm now in Uganda. So most people who watch my lives on TikTok, and most people who are subscribed on this YouTube channel for now, because now I have 54 subscribers on this YouTube channel. These people, they are okay. I have also people from the US, people from, is it Kenya, Tanzania? but most people from Uganda and some from the US. So I'm going to be mixing language. I'm going to use English and my mother language, of which is Uganda. So this one I said solo. Your investor password will cost me how much? What do you mean? You want me to manage your account? How much money do you have? Yes, I do account management, but I have a certain price that I start to manage. Like, do you have 100K USD? So bebino ebintu byentunuulira, let me switch back to my mother language. So bize ebintu byentunuulira nga nkola analysis oba ngenda kukola pair ki oba pair ki, ntunuulira ebintu bisatu. First of all, I look at three things: the trend of the market, the current price action, and the chart patterns. Ebintu byentunuulira. Strategy, when it comes to the CO5 strategy, you are free to use support and resistance, trend lines, supply zones, demand zone, all those ones, they are concepts. You are you are the strategy. So for me, I'm the strategy. Everything that I'm going to draw here, it is just they are just concepts, but I'm the strategy. I'm the man behind the wheel. So let me take you down. So kakati nze wentunulira akatale kano aka GBP card, okiraba na bulabi namaaso, just use your eyes. Your eyes are the best indicator. You can just clearly see with your eyes that GBP card, it is bullish on the higher time frame, and you can see that for the past weeks. I think let me go to the monthly time frame, right? So you can clearly see that price has been moving up. Now it's like in a bit of like a consolidation, right? So, or a correction phase. So let me go back to the weekly time frame. So even if I use the line chart, you can clearly see that price, this zone here, it is a what? It is a support zone. You see, this zone is a support zone. So what's happening next? You see that price made a breakout, retest, and another retest. So we're expecting price to keep on pushing up. So as simple as that. So now this has clearly indicated that GBP card is still moving up. All right. So now we are there until like consolidation to give you demo. So even here up, you can clearly see that there is another what? It's like a resistance, because price stopped in here, and then again, and then now it's approaching this area here. But I'm expecting for price to just keep on pushing up to break this high, to keep on pushing to the upside. So I'm expecting price to keep on pushing up. So whereas here there is a what? A resistance zone. So by I'm liking live session eno abali mu kuwachingira this on TikTok. Simanyi oba ku YouTube kuliko bameka abali mu kuwachingirako naye ne YouTube lives nzikolera abagala basically ebintu bya forex ngenda kuba mbikolera nnyo ku YouTube lives zino nga oba oyagala batya when trading biki byanalyzinga ojja genda ku YouTube yange obeere ng'olaba bino ebintu. So this is the current situation right now that is happening, you see. Kuba YouTube live yino gye ndiko ssaawa zino olaba ndi mu streaminga live, ndi ku YouTube live ogiraba yiyo. Kakati ye analysis gye nina, ndi mu kukola analysis. So I'm sorry for the voice. I think I'm losing my voice. However, abali ku TikTok making a live session, and at least I'm going to also do prophecies, but I want to first finish this. I'm serving 2 masters. Go guys. So na kimusolo okunkolera subscribing ku YouTube channel yange tudu nkakoza n'abagala prophecies. Era TikTok webekedde ku macha like nemubanga temukyandaba live nga TikTok okuba olumu etera okumpa restrictions ne bangamba mumenya amateeka olumu nange nga menya sitegedde. So oba osobola ogenda ku YouTube channel yange nobeera nga osobola okunsangayo, era nayo live nja kuba nzikolerayo. Yes, YouTube tenywa data, TikTok data gwenywa ne YouTube gwanywa. Watu olina kyakweraliikirira. So Joy, I'm here doing a Sunday market breakdown. Ndi kukola YouTube live at the same time ne TikTok live. I'm serving 2 masters at a go. Ekyo kitumade sikikolangako, but now the boy is still hot. Abasinga balowooza nti wembanga nze wano okwogera ku bya prophecies like trading sikyamanyi mundifala. No, the boy is always hot. Anyways, so kakati, let me switch back to the candlesticks. So you can clearly see that this is a support zone, and this is a resistance zone. So, but I know that price is going to keep on pushing up to surpass or to make another high. All right. So Even you can clearly see, you can just clearly see with your eyes that whereas this is a support, is a resistance zone, price has tested once, twice, thrice, fourth, and then now the fifth. So I'm expecting this zone here, it is weaker than this support. So I'm anticipating for price to break this resistance zone and then to keep on pushing up to higher price levels like the 9.2 thousand, like sorry, 1.92 thousand. I'm expecting price to keep on pushing up. Banango oluzungu lungi naye mulakinga eravusation eno tandika kamera to see the charts anti obuzibu sinaba kufuna like stand. Anyway, kambateeke wano mujja kuba mulabira awo kambateeke awo mugenda kuba mulabira awo, but okay, let me do this. Mugenda kuba mulabira awo, tugendera awo kakati. Kamera tegwa, mugira mulakinga live session tugende mu maaso. Ate biki byenkoze? I've pressed okay, so let's keep on. I think you are watching, guys, yeah? So abali ku TikTok bami basaba liking live session. Bro, this is the craziest market breakdown that I've ever done in my life before. All right, I think you are watching people from TikTok, so that price mugiraba like a break in wano, like eno yabadde support, this was a support and now a support. So price yajja like ng'eyambuka, you see price yamala ebbanga ng'ejja eyambuka wano nejja nebiranga resisting and breaking and retesting a first touch, second time, kati naawe yiino wano eno, like wotunira no support gyenkubye wano notunira ne resistance bagikonyeko gumu, ebiri, esatu, ena, etaano. So price erina chances zinene okusigala ng'epushinga waggulu emenye no resistance. Okiraba kati nze noonya trades like within this week kuba tulaba candlesticks zino zize zipushinga up, kiba kitegeeza babuyers bamaanyi n'okusinga ba sellers. So kikulaga kifaananyi ki? Kati wenzija ku daily time frame, abantu abali ku gundi ndowooza muli mu kulaba bulungi, abantu abali ku TikTok, right? So abayagala okulaba eno analysis gyatandikidde osobola ogenda ku YouTube channel yange atego nkakooza. So kakati this is a resistance, ekyo kiraba bulabi nti resistance ebaddewo. Let me go on the weekly time frame so that eno resistance ngiteekako bulungi. Oh my goodness, kyekyo sina kyenyongerako. Alright, so kakati resistance eno tugiraba nti ebaddewo y'amaanyi. Kangende ku daily, kati tulaba ku daily mu byamazima luli eri wenalaba price ng'epushinze bweti ne breakinga neyambuka nekomawo bweti, liquidity ne bamusweepinga wano wansi we, but the liquidity was swept from down here and then price started pushing up, so which means liquidity was swept here. There are things that I want to show you guys. Let me show you. So guys, can you please like this live session? TikTok ebirenge gitambuza mu bannammwe abalala musobola ogilikinga ne tugenda mu maaso. Alright, bane battery eweddeko ku laptop munansonyiwa, ngenda sooka giteeka mu charger. So kati price kandabe battery esigaddeko meka, kuba wali ngenza oteekako live ng'eri ku 50, maama eri ku 30. Okay, so tugende mu maaso, osobola okuntambuza. Kati tulaba ne wano price aze neekoona wano waliwo support endala. You know, when you get used of this kind of things, otuuka ekiseera nga like automatically okirabirayo nga it's obvious, like you get to see things easily. Now omuntu yakatandika forex naye tasobola kiraba. So you can clearly see that price wano yajja neesweepinga liquidity, ne wano neesweepinga liquidity even here, kati price neyambuka. So kiba kitegeeza price wano ya breakinze zino equal highs. So kati kiraga nti price egenda sigala ekola ki? Kiraga nti price egenda sigala ekola ki? Eyambuka mu bbanga. Wano tewali seero. Olaba zino equal lows zino, zino equal highs zino ziraba, oziraba zino equal highs. Price yaziggyemu zino price yaziggyemu. Kati ogiraba ne wano, kati kankube wano line eno nga ngitwala wano. You know, bino ebintu, trading is simple when it comes to analyze. I know that to someone who has just started this kind of things, they think they are confusing, but in most cases I talk about angels. I do talk about angels, but people don't get me when I talk about angels. They think I'm here to play, like those things that are not real. The strategy that I use, my angels, they are the one who guided me to be using this strategy that I'm using to trade. So you see, now then I'm anticipating this one might be a what? Inverted head and shoulder. So I was expecting price to do something like this, to make a left shoulder as it did here. This was left shoulder, neckline, right shoulder. So price to keep on pushing up, but price just impulsed. So anyways, price can do this, yeah. Price can just keep on pushing up or to come back to form a what? To form a right shoulder to push up, because I had drew this what? I had drew this how do I call it? How do I call it? No, I had drew this. Oh my goodness. You know, being busy. Okay. So I had drew this here. That price when it comes to make a what? A left what? A right shoulder, that price might stop here to push up, because here there's also what? Liquidity. You see price broke up, but price may just keep on pushing up. But when you look closely, you can clearly see that waneno price weyajja negira kuba esobola okukomawo neswipinga liquidity eno, liquidity wano ne liquidity waneeno, nejja nemuswipinga ono, kubanga kankubeewo trendline. Let me just do a trendline so that you can see. You know, bro, if I decide to teach, I'm a good teacher, guys. I know how to teach. So this is liquidity resting here. You see, first touch, second touch. So it can even decide to now those people who trade trend lines, this was the first touch, second touch. Now they'll be expecting for a third touch in order for price to keep on pushing up. You see, where people who trade trend lines will be expecting for price to come and make what? A third touch, so that price keep on pushing up. But things can turn around, you know, for price to break out and come back to this zone here to sweep out. Price can come back, make a breakout retest, and then pushes down to take out this liquidity. So this area here, or this zone here, it is kind of tricky, but for me, I know I'm going to follow the market, what is showing to me. So I'm going to buy, I'm going to risk what I'm losing, or I'm going to risk what I'm willing to lose, right? So before the breakout of this high, of this highs here, this was the last black candlestick. What does this mean? This is so crucial. Kino ekintu kyakwegendereza nnyo. You have to look closely when it comes to this kind of stuff. I have experience in trading. This I'm going to be making 4 years on 19th August. So if I'm to buy, I will expect price to come back, test this order block or this zone before it pushes up. And price can even not come to even like price can decide to not come back to this what zone, to just keep on pushing up. Yes, price can do that. So we always just anticipate what will be next. All right. So according to the way this it is very valid. Break of structure, order block. If I ever look up, price to come back. Those people who watched my videos or watched my TikTok from last year, you know that how many people are watching? Someone in I have 34 people streaming live on TikTok. Guys, see for yourself. See, people who are watching on YouTube, you see the screen. I have almost 40 people watching this on TikTok. So anyway, so let's keep on going. I have 47 people watching. Oh my goodness. Guys, you come and subscribe on this YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you the name of the YouTube channel so that you can come. I'm having 50 people now watching. Oh my goodness. So all right, so let's keep on pushing. The boy is hot. Yo guys, I kill it. Hey, TikTok doesn't want those kind of words. Bana TikTok, don't restrict me. I'm sorry. Anyways, so let's keep on going. So all right, kakati okusinziira nga price wano weeri, nze nsubira price okudda, kubanga bino ebintu oba otrading oba olina okwanticipate buli kimu kugamba tolina kale okuddaawo okwerogoza kugamba nti mwana we bankuba sente zange bino oddaawo n'otintima era baba bajja kukuba, tosobola butakola loss. Kati bwemuteekako trendline eno first touch, eno third touch. So price wenaaba ekomyewo kweno zone ejja kuba ekoze ne third touch wano. Kati bakitegeeza kituufu ne bwe bankuba wano bajja kunkuba bulungi, njagamba kituufu bankubye. Okiraba, kubanga criteria zonna we ziri, trending goberedde, naye wano bayinza ekiyinza okunkubisa ate bwe bankuba nsobola oswama nti kituufu webanga ya seero n'enseeringa ne mala nembayingira wano. Kati nja kuteeka, I'm going to risk I think $500. I think ze ngenda okuriskinga, naye kansooke nzireyo quick time frame tulabe. You see even the weekly candlestick, the way how it closed, it is, yo, man, I'm going to buy from here. The Sibalimba, that is what I'm anticipating. Because at times the things that I talk here, I do them. Yeah, ebintu byenjogera wano mbikola, even this here on this analysis that I did. Buli kintu kyonna kyonna, if I do analysis gye nkoze ngigoberera. So this trade ended up even like going higher, you know, but nonetheless tuli mu kukola setup ndala wano. Kakati price tuli mu kugiraba. Kati tulaba wano waliwo break of structure. No break of structure tusooke tugyesonye tugiveeko. Naye waliwo ekintu kye ndabye guys. This one looks like what a cup and handle chart pattern. Guys, you see this? Do you see this thing around here? People watching here, watching from TikTok. This is like what a cup and handle chart pattern. Let me show on the line here. The bad thing that microphone. You see, this one looks like what a cup and handle. So price, whenever it breaks out, at least it may come to retest before it pushes up. Don't you see this, guys? Kino kiringa cup and handle. Bannange, let me show you. Man, if you have experience in trading, like there are things that you just see before others even can see them. So let me show you. This is what a cup and handle. You see, this is a cup and handle. This is a cup and handle pattern. This is what a chart pattern that means that price. Okay, don't you see that this is a chikopo? This is a chikopo. This is a cup and handle. So price has to come back to retest to push. Kati ndoza mulaba confluencers, then you see that the kind of confluencers that I have. First of all, the trend is bullish. The trend line for the third touch, and then the breakout the liquidity sweep. Now price has to come back to test the order block to keep pushing up. However, price can do the opposite. It can come break out, retest from here, consolidate around here, and then it pushes down. And if it pushes down, I'll buy from this zone here. So you like going making sure like ofuna confluencers ezikuwa confidence okuyingira akatale because tulaba wano price niwe ya breaking idde waneno kino ekikopo cup and handle. Man, trading mwangu when it comes okubeera nga kati nze level gye natuukako okubeera nga bino nkola analysis okumanya akatale kadde n'ebyo byangu kituufu waliwo n'olumu nange wembeera omukyamu nga I'm wrong with what I'm anticipating. I'm not like, but it is according to the way how I know myself. With the record that I have, 90% of my bias or my analysis zikwatayo okujjako olumu price weekola ebirala tugeze mbadde ni mukwanticipating okubuyinga price n'ebimenyawo naye nga when it comes to having a higher win rate, I'm one of the best traders who have the highest win rate I've ever seen. Bino si byakunyumya bunyumya bwebeera ng'ofollowing analysis zange zenteeka ku YouTube channel yange ojja kiraba. Ojja kira nti bias zange ebiseera ebisinga zituukayo olumu kale nyinza okuba ne bias price neetanteekamu nga ngambe ngenda kuyingira ano price neetanteekamu naye nga bias zange ziba ntuufu. Price newentanteekamu kuba nyinza ogamba ninza wano order block bagiba gifiringe price nesigala ng'eyambuka bwambusi neetanteekamu kuba yinza ogamba obeera nga gwalina 90% win rate why not the best trader in the world? Yo, I'm the best trader in the world. Yes, I'm the best. Golooza who will make you to be the best? Ekintu okyetikkira bwetikizi teri agenda kikutikkira. No one is going to crown you as the best trader in the world. You will crown yourself. You are the one who must crown yourself that yes, I'm the best in what I'm doing. That's when you start, mastering this kind of stuff. So whatever, like I've seen that here was even a liquidity sweep. Nga sinaba na kutunira candlesticks by just using this line chart. You see, price was moving down, making lower lows, lower high. Boom. This was our last lower low, and then price swept up. So which means here was a liquidity sweep here. Boom, up, retest, zoom. Now price has to come back. As simple as that. Guys, I simplify this. Man, that's why I call myself the best trader. Yeah, even me make losses. I don't make losses. You see, even here. Man. Kati tulaba nti price we tukozeseza support and resistance. Resistance. Price ne breaking. Kati price has to retest before it pushes up. So for me, I'm going to, let me first get rid of this. Now, this is the last black. Let me first get rid of this. Mani bino ebintu byangu nnyo. Nze ndaba ate nze omanyi lwaki bino ebintu byannyanguira. I was one of the best people who were saying that man trading aganye, trading muzibu, nze binnemye bannange, nkoze ntya? Paka we nakira ku makya, omusajja omu n'aŋŋamba olaba akakooza. Sigamba nti tomanyi, sigamba nti ebyo ebintu bizibu, gwe atamanyi kyakukola. N'aŋŋamba have you ever heard of angels? Ne mugamba ate bye biki by'oŋŋamba? N'aŋŋamba you ask your angels, they will guide you. I asked them, they guided me. Yes, it doesn't mean that you won't make losses. You will make losses, that's the reality, because losses are inevitable. But I could not understand this kind of things back then, but now I do understand. So I know candlestick esembyeyo okubeera ya black after the breakout. Abo abaagala si offer strategy kosi nagiteekayo ku YouTube channel yange gyeri. Kiraba nze olaba nze kambabule kino ekintu, olaba abatrader abasinga obuzibu balina bamala obudde bungi nga ayagala akola analysis ku pair zonna. Nedda, si nti buli pair onogikola analysis. Olaba gwe just niwofuna nze olaba nsobola n'omala essaawa 2 hours when I'm just analyzing only one pair. Kati ndaba eno YouTube live nakagiteekako nakamala eddakiika 25 ndi ku pair emu sinnagivaako, ndi mu kubasomesa. Singa mbadde ningikola analyzing nga nze mu dakiika nga 10 oba 15 nandibadde mmaliriza. Olaba gwe tofaayo byakupapa ebyo kugamba mbu oli trader mu dakiika 5 bamaze okukola analysis. Nedda, gwe toli ku level yemu naye. Bw'oba omaze ssaawa nnamba ng'okola analysis tekirina buzibu. Gwe twala obudde bwo ng'okola analysis yo, kubanga sente z'ogenda oteekayo zizo si zooli. Okiraba sente ziba zizo si zooli. Kati ndi mu kukira nti eno candlestick yasembeyo before this what atula price ono yagezezaako kubanga pushing up. Nedda, kati ono wano waliwo liquidity wansi, waliwo aba buyingidde wano, because this is a reversal candlestick pattern. So people think that price is going to keep on pushing up from here, but tukimanyi nti wano waliwo unfilled orders. Price zeno kima tulina cap and handle yino waneeno, this pattern cap and handle, tulina trend line, tulina order block, tulina favor gap, tulina liquidity yuno wanone, liquidity sweep wano bamugyemu dda. So ngenda kusuubira okuba nga mbayingira wano ki eno gundi. I can even dig more on lower time frames. Even ku 4 hour gyenkomyeko, it's enough. So kati nsobola n'okugamba nti okay, stop loss yange nkangiteeke wano wansi, oba nsobola n'osalawo n'engiteeka wano wansi here, and I put my stop loss here on this level of 1.86195. Stop loss kituufu nnene naye just mbalaga bulazi. Kati neŋŋamba okay, take profit ngenda giteekawa. I can measure this cap and handle size yayo. I can measure the size of the cap and handle. Okay, it stops from here, and I put it here up. So stop loss, take profit yange nebeera wano waggulu. You see, even if I have a higher, even if I have a large, but this stop loss is very huge. That's the truth. At least like 1:2 or 2.5 at least. So I can even dig more down on lower time frames to see like where should I put my stop loss. So wano batrader abasinga we baviiramu kasatuuka kugamba nti like stop loss yagiteekawa, abasinga wano we babulira, abatamanyi kyakukola. Asooka kubula n'agamba bannaye kati nkoze ntya, stop loss ngiteekawa, bino nga sibimanyi. Okiraba? So katulaba liquidity sweep wano yabaddewo. Here was the liquidity sweep. These things, they are easy. These things, they are very, very, very easy. So you see, here was the liquidity sweep. Kino nakirabe nadda nga sinana kuswitchinga ku candlestick. Liquidity sweep bamusweepinze ddaano, price nejja ne consolidating awo ne maana eyambuka. Kati obuzibu bwe buli wano oyinza okugamba nti stop loss yo ogiteeke below here. Below here, your stop loss to put it below here. Guys, bane, can you please like this live session? Bane, TikTok gitambuze. Kandabe likes zenina. You are here 54 people. You have just given me one 1K likes. Please, guys, you support this movement of the CO5. Yeah, because I'm teaching you my strategy for free, guys. Yes, for you to show me the appreciation. Like, you can just come even here on my YouTube channel and you subscribe, guys. You learn more. So let's keep on going. All right. Wemaliza ngenda kudda ku bantu ba prophecies. After here, I'm going to start prophesying. I do prophesy every single day. So tuli mukola nti price wano waliwo gap nene. This was caused by news of the card news, right? This candlestick is very huge. So price can decide to come back, play from here. But now the problem, this is where it comes from. Most traders now, they will tell you, where should I put my stop loss? The problem is my stop loss. Oh my guys, I think I'm going to call you later. Oh, someone has called me, guys. Wait. All right, what's happening? Let me pick up the phone and I tell him. Yes, hello. Yes, hey. The phone is off. Okay, artists was in a sour set. So now this is the hardest part of some of the traders. They'll be like, I've done the analysis. Now the entries, they are the problem. Oh no, the entries net die. You don't have to cry on the entries. Bw'obanga osobodde okuzimba ennyumba n'ogijja mu musingi, there is no way that you are going to fail to finish the house. If you have managed to start the house from the bottom, there is no way you are going to fail to finish the house. You have to just relax. Relax, boy. Okay, relax, girl. By the way, ngenda kukola t-shirts nga kuliko boy is hot, the boy is hot, and and the girl is hot. So I'm going to do that much. Yeah. Guys, I want you to support me. Okay? Yeah. Anyways, so and the other thing most traders do, most of the traders, they watch corn, they don't sleep at night, they they masturbate, those kind of habits, they lower down your sexual energy. In order for you to understand this kind of things, era obeera ano nga like osoma nga you are like you study, oli mwana wa ssomero, I'm giving you advice, stop doing those kind of habits, because even like it is very possible for me, like, do you know why I have this kind of energy to be talking to you, to trap like over 50 people watching my live on TikTok? It's because I have high sexual energy. Like that energy, just listen to my voice, just even look into my eyes. You see, you can see that this guy has power, bro. So that Vera, or that what oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'll be like, if I'm to miss this trade, because price, and now let me just put this order block on the 30-minute time frame. I'm going to stop from the 30-minute time frame and I mark it here. Okay, so now if I'm to put a stop loss, honestly speaking, I'm going to put it down here. If price takes me out and I have chances to re-enter, I will enter another buy trade as long as my bias it is still valid. So if I'm to put my stop loss, I'm going to put it below 1.86600. Yes, so my entry will be here at around 1.86921. So wemba wakuyingira trade eyo, olaba ono gundi balina okujja bamuggyemu wano, ono liquidity arrestinze wano, because buyers bayingira. This is liquidity to be swept, price to take it down, to come back here, play around here. It may even first take me out before it pushes up. So if I'm taken out, I'll make another re-entry, as long as I'm still valid. Because analysis yange banzigyemu, I fail to make another re-entry, I will just enter again, guys. Yes. Anyways, so let me put this scale here. Boom. Yeah, let me put here, and then below this level, I'm going to put it down, go here. I'm going to put down, go there, and then my first take profit is going to be up here at this level. Boom. 1.94 risk to reward ratio. That's the first take profit. All right. So according to the law of price action, I'm going to see the last high. That's where I'm going to put my TP. Even if you take a full day only analyzing one pair, it is very okay. Just take one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen when it's supposed to happen, when you find the reasons why. One step at a time. Ta-da-da-da-da. Ta-da-da-da-da. Bino ebintu byangu nnyo, guys. Just take one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. Hey, it's gonna happen when it's supposed to happen when you find the reasons why. One step at a time. So you see, I have the first take profit, and then the second take profit. Oh my goodness! If I'm right with what I'm anticipating, I'll make 5.5. I'll make 5.58. If I risk 1%, if I risk $500, I'll be making 2,500. Right? Yeah, I won't risk $500. Mwah, mwah. Yes. Like if there is a high possibility of me being right with what I've analyzed. So if price reaches here, on the first take profit, or if price reaches here on this high, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. I will see how I will do manage this trade. So oh my goodness, my voice has escaped. Oh my goodness, did I sing like a frog? Oh my god, but I felt it in my soul. Just take one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. Oh, it's gonna happen when it's supposed to happen. You see? So, if I'm right with what I've analyzed, I think, you see, if I'm right with what I have analyzed, even if I'm taken down, even if I'm taken out, I'll make another entry as long as I'm still valid with my bias. As long as my bias is still valid, I'll enter again, guys. Sometimes even you can wait for a third touch here. Price doesn't it is not that price is a must for you to move up or down. It must first come to make another third touch. It can come put me in this trade. It moves up, it reaches here, it comes back, you know. Anything can happen, guys. So you just have to do your analysis, chill down. If you're taken out, if you are scared, you can move your stop loss down here below that level. Then if price comes back to test this trend line, it won't take you out. But if you are supposed to be taken out, price will take you out. That's the truth. Losses are inevitable. So for me, I'm going to put my stop loss here. Boom. My take profit. I have to, my 5.5. I have to make it, my friend. Okay, 555. Yes, why not? The boy was born on 5th. Why? Why don't I take this trade concerning me? 5555. Oh, it's my lucky trade. Oh my god. Oh my days. All right. So the first take profit will be this one. If price moves here, I can even decide to take profit and I exit this trade. Yes. If price, but this one will be suitable. 1:3. But this one is extreme because price can come to approach this level here, and then it fails to reach up here. It first come back to take me out before it pushes up back again up. But one that is more validity will be this one. 1:3.23. Yes. So that's what I'm anticipating on GBP card. Guys, thanks for watching this live session on YouTube. I hope you learned a thing or two from this. Please make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can support me. Please comment down which other pairs would like me to analyze. Yes, see you in the next one. I love you all. Ciao. All right, so let me end this YouTube live. It is 34 minutes. Guys, Mulabi, 34 minutes I'm doing this. Wow, 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 wow. Bro, the boy is hot. End live. Yes, end, guys.